There's Sammy. Woo! Whoa! Look at those sparks.
Look at me.
Oh yeah.
I need a scarf on my head.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you should both go on one time.
Michelle, we can turn off into the snow.
Don't go up too far. That's good, Shell. You're gonna end up going way too fast. All right. There she goes, Daredevil. Here she comes. Woo! Look at the sparks. Here goes Sam and Michelle. This is winter, what, January 6th, 7th? 2017. And they're going up pretty high.
They have to because they're combined weights. Oh, she's taking a dump in Joe's yard. No, she's TT. Oh, this is being recorded, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh. Defecating in Joe's yard.
Okay. My hands will be frozen. Yeah, don't do the dot because I think that messes with my flash a little bit.
Oh, it's fun with the kids.
Are y'all going higher?
Did you see it when I did it on you? When you were coming down the
Yeah.
Did you like it? Stove lights on you?
Yeah. Who's going in front?
I'm in back.
Okay.
Don't fall off!
Tim, you gotta give me space. I can't fit in front of this.
My fingers are gonna fall off. That's about 20 degrees. Y'all gonna go faster because of the weight.
Woo!
I'm seeing sparks already. Oh, here they go. Might be their last ride. Oh no.